Welcome back to another WPS tutorial. Here's another thing that you might find familiar. Hang on, before you snap and quit the job, here is something to save the day. Let me introduce you to the magical tool of the drop-down list. The first type of drop-down list is using fixed value. A fixed value drop-down list essentially provides fixed options for a certain value, which is a very effective way of collecting unified data. The first step is to select the area that you wish to add the drop-down list. Find the Insert drop-down list option under Data. Enter the value you wish to add. Click OK and you're all set. When others fill out this form, they can only fill content between the options that you provide, in this case, male or female. And the second type of drop-down list is List from Source. For multiple values that are too many to enter one by one, you can also log into an existing list as the option for the drop-down list at the same time. First, select the area, and in the Insert drop-down list window, select the second option and click the icon to the right. When you enter the value, you can simply go back to the table and click on the desired value. After the selection complete, click the right side icon one more time and it will take you back to the Insert drop-down window. And click OK and you are all set. Please subscribe, and you can also leave comments down below for ideas that you might like to see in WPS Office in the future. Thank you, bye bye!